We have coding blocks to return the frog to its original state. These coding blocks appear in several places and the blocks sequence is exactly the same. In coding, we should make our own block for the exact same commands, so we can use the block over and over again. Also, later if there is a change, we just change it at one place. To create your own coding block, go to the My Block section and click Make a Block. Give this block a name. The name can be anything, but this time we will name this block as Reset. Then, you will see a pink block like this. It says Define Reset. In the Reset pink block, create blocks that are used over and over again, like this. So, put the blocks to reset the frog to center, reset its direction and size, and clear all stamps. Once we have a reset block containing those same commands, we can use that pink block to replace the previous blocks. Do like this in Scratch to make your own block, according to the previous instructions.